Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Terry. For the new subscribers, welcome again, and I hope you enjoyed the video that I posted. For today we are going to do a house tour. I'm going to show you my sitting space and my dining space, and I hope someone out there will get motivated with my small house. I believe we all start from somewhere, and so guys, don't judge my house, and kindly don't forget to like, to share, and to comment, and mostly don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, and God will bless you. So guys, welcome to my space. So guys, from where I'm standing, it's the entrance to my house. You can see a kamat, which I love so much because it doesn't move around. Even when the kids are playing in the house, it can't move. That's the door to my house. Don't mind the background because we stay in a katikati ya ploti. So from there, I have this car path. This is where you enter. Ukiingia kwa nyumba. Guys, the wall of my entrance, I have my picture. The first picture, I was pregnant with my last born son, and the other one, I wasn't pregnant. I have this mat. All my mats they don't move. They don't move around even when the kids are playing in the house. That's why I love them so much. And when you enter in my house, the first thing you see is my dining area. See my dining, that's my dining space. That's my dining. Guys, I bought this dining at Carrefour. Yeah, by then I think it was going for 40,000 Kenyan shillings. It wasn't that expensive. Yeah, I bought it for 40 because in kwa 40,000 tulirudishiwa, I think, 1 bob, so it was 40,000. And then I have my sink there. That's where I place our toothbrushes, and I have that car soap dispenser. And from there, I have my dining window, which I love so much. It's so huge, it's so big, and I love it so much. From there, the curtains, they're not new, ni za mtush. I bought them from a friend of ours. One piece was going for 1,000 bob, so I bought 4 pieces, which are enough for now. Even the shear, she brought them for me. One shear, the one piece you see was going for 1,200. And yeah, guys, those are the stairs to my bedroom. I won't be showing you guys for today my bedroom, but I'll show you. And the stairs, and from there, it's the other window. Don't mind my son, he's outside the outside balcony. So the other window, I have the other 2 curtains. I bought each piece at 1,000 bob, so the 4 of them were going for 4,000, and the shear per window 1,200. So I got the 2 of them for 2,400. All of them ni za mtush. Then I have that kamat I stole from my mom. She does make them, so when I went to Shags, I stole that one from my mom. From there, we have this kawal. Yeah, guys, sorry for that. We have that kawal hanging. Yes, guys, that's kawal hanging. Don't mind my phone. I'm using my phone to record. And guys, welcome to my sitting space. In my sitting space, for now I don't have a carpet. It was so dirty, and I had it taken to be washed. My seat is a 5-seater. You can see it, guys. It's a 5-seater, the 3-seater and the 2-seaters. And I have these 2 throw pillows, which I made them by myself. That one and this one, I made them mimi mwenyewe. I didn't buy them, and I'm planning to make others. Yeah, even the other one, I made it for myself, guys. And you can see my house is full of windows. That's like a small window for my sitting area. I have that wall hanging that my hubby bought, the kamba one. The other one I made it by nilitengeneza mimi mwenyewe. Hey, kizungu bana, I don't mind. And guys, yeah, we have that chimney. It's not a fireplace. We usually put our speaker there. Yes, guys, if you have any idea how I can decorate that place, kindly comment below and tell me, guys. When we come to this space, I have my coffee table. The reason I have kept that coffee table there, it's because of my son, my small son. He likes that place. Sijui ama ni juu ya stima ama ni juu ya nini. He likes that hapo hiyo area. So I had to put that table there ndio asifikie. What's hii kitu inaitangwa nini? TV stand. My hubby made it na akaihang hapo, na tuko na hiyo Sony soundbar, na tuko na our small TV, which is enough for my small family, Sainix. And guys, I think I'm done with my tour. I hope, guys, you're going to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I hope someone will get motivated with my small house. I love it so much. And yeah, guys, that's my I had forgotten about the carpet. This carpet you see here, nilianza nayo life. It was my first carpet, and I love it. Sidhani nitaitupa. I'm planning to buy another carpet for the dining area, but I'm not throwing this away. I'll find a place where I'm going to place it. And yes, guys. So guys, if you have anything you'd like to see from my house, kindly comment below and let me know, and I'll sure do a video of it. And yes, guys, so don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. And yes, guys, thank you for watching, and till next time, bye.